Marhaba, günaydın, good morning from beautiful city of Giresun. I bring you this natural beauty here today. This isn't amazing. It is someplace in Turkey. It looks like Switzerland. Fantastic. And this one is one of the best parts. It is a beautiful nature all around. So let's explore this land furthermore. What is around here? Where is this place? This is Kaya in Giresun, Turkey. Natural beauty and wonder. I've never thought there would be a place like this in this region of the world, but now I am surprised. And this is one of the best places and best views that I have seen so far. And this is like Switzerland and Turkey. See you in next scene. Welcome back to Foggy Hill. I have no idea what's the name of this place. So we stayed and had some food. And this place, amazing. Natural beauty. So now we are off to another attraction or destination. Let's see what comes up next. It is quite foggy here. And the name of this place, what is the name? I found the name for this place. It is Al Shakbel. It is the only problem is that it is quite foggy here and you can't see anything. There is kind of restaurant or something there, and this here is just like a park. If that wouldn't be foggy, might have been quite magnificent view in here, but still this is also a wonder of the nature, that it is the fog and stuff here. So I will see you guys in the next location. Welcome back. We are in another location which is called Pamukkale. So let's go and see. So what can we expect in here?
I don't know what it's called.
Waterfall?
No, there's no waterfall. It is like, have you heard of Pamukkale? It is like a white lake, a bright white lake.
Kind of natural lake.
Yeah.
So let's go. Check it out. This is the natural beauty. It is the view of Switzerland in here. So today is the holiday here, Sunday, yeah? Public holiday, so it's quite busy. All local people come in to visit here. Merhaba.
Merhaba abi, hoş geldiniz. Yardımcı olalım. Bal, pekmez, tereyağı.
Turkish finish. English.
English.
No English?
No.
What is this? Honey?
Şunlar neydi?
Bunlar köme hocam. Köme. Şebin Karahisar'a ait sarma köme pestilden. Fındık ezmesi.
Tamam.
Buyurun. Hacı dede buyur. Bal, bekmez. Ama peynirden vereyim
It
sana.
is
Yayla
dry
peyniri.
fruit.
What is it?
It's dry fruit. They put it in
Ne
kind of
pekmezi?
like
Bol
sweets
pekmezi
and
baba.
they're gonna dry the
Bakabilirsin,
sweets
yemek
inside the
serbest.
dry
Oh,
fruit.
is this the syrup of the fruit?
Yeah.
70 lira olur hocam.
Oh,
Yeni şeker.
wonderful.
O 3 kilo.
See more views around here. Quite amazing. So now I know why people are coming rushing in here, and this natural phenomenon that is, it is similar to Pamukkale. This is Trabunkale.
Come here. Slowly, sir.
So if you can't get to Pamukkale, you can come and get in here. Oh, it is freezing in here. So if you can't get to Pamukkale, you can come here, and here is a mini Pamukkale here, which is wonderfully beautiful. Quite amazing. Today is Sunday, so everybody's rushing to come here. And this water is freezing cold here. Quite fantastic. You have to buy a ticket up there, and the ticket is 10 lira, Turkish lira. And this is freezing cold. This water. It's quite amazing how cold and how warm is each pool is in here. That one is freezing, that one is even more freezing, but this is warmer. And yeah, you should come and try this natural phenomenon in here. This was a fun experience here, and a copy of Pamukkale, Trabunkale, and that's it. This natural beauty behind me is close to Giresun. Come and enjoy. The ticket is 10 Turkish lira, and you can come and visit this place. Quite amazing. So we are done from here. Trabunkale, a copy of Pamukkale. So we are done from here. So I will see you guys in the next location. Welcome to the next location, which is on this tour, which is Mavi Göl. And let's go inside and see what is in here. Merhaba. So this is also one of the natural beauties of Giresun. It is just off Giresun. I don't know which side, but it is beautiful, picturesque views in here. There is a viewing point over there, so you can view the natural phenomenon up down there. So let's see what is in there. Oh, this is the beauty. It's quite amazing. It is a beautiful place, beautiful river, natural beauty. But in this pristine and clear water, you're not allowed to swim. It's a shame. I wish I could swim here. View of Mavi Göl from this side and from this side. Quite stunning. So let's go. This is Mavi Göl and we are going up back to continue on our tour. So I hope that you guys enjoying as much as I am enjoying this view around here. It is phenomenal. So I see you guys in the next destination and the next stop, I can say. I really enjoyed this one, and let's enjoy another one on our way on this tour. So don't go away and enjoy more of this natural beauty. So now I arrived in Şelale, which is called waterfall. Şelale is in Turkish, and waterfall. Here you go. So this is our next stop, Lake Explorer. This is another natural beauty on our way on this tour. It's quite amazing. So this is it, we visited the Şelale in here and Mavi Göl. So these stairs is a good exercise, and we are going back to our transport and leaving for our next stop.